这个有一个拼一道绿色的，就这种就是。
Okay, let us begin to show you the first products. You见了商机了没？他还让我招跑都没赢足了，他说今天就能到，我就看他今天能不能。那个还算好一点了。Okay, please look at this one. Here are the black egg gauge, and they are smooth and polished with the turquoise roundel piece. And here the turquoise hazy. The turquoise roundel bee is about 6 mm, with the turquoise hazy is just about 4 mm. And you can find here the shell-shaped or turquoise beads like the jaw pendants, and between them here are the white shell beads. And this necklace is 16 inches long. Okay, I wanted to ready to show you this beautiful necklace. 他说让我就觉得特别去。
这个不能什么？这个不能那个啥。
他说不能这
样做。
他只能调后面的吧？
只能左右来。
还有这个，调这个可以这样子这样，但是它不能两个手指这样。
中间这里不行。还有那个。就是不让
因为它两个有一个东西控制，这个是两个东西分别控制它。还有这个就是盒子还没丢，还好没丢。
盒子是这个吗？
Okay, dear, that is this one. If you like it, please feel free to let us know. 他还又买了一个，然后他说等他到了我就退回去。
又买。
这个Okay, dear, the next one I will show you is this one. Please look at this beautiful necklace. Here are the turquoise hair about 6 mm, and here are the red spiny oyster roundel piece. It's also about 6 mm. And this pretty necklace is 16 inches long. It's 16 inches long, and you can find it a 2 inches long extension chain. And this pretty necklace is loved by customers, and it is not a new product, but it is a hot selling product and great demand, loved by customers. If you like this one, please feel free to communicate with us. 我觉得可以再裁一条绿的，因为还要配下一个。
对，
因为还有下一个款式啊，所以好多。OK。对啊，所以肯定要穿。So I wanted to ready to show you this necklace. And here are the rubber. I think it's really suitable for a Christmas gift. The Christmas day is coming soon, so you can start to prepare the gift now, I think. 他搞错了。 Okay, the next one I wanna show you is a amethyst double strings necklace. Okay, dear, please look at this one. You can find combined with the here the amethyst round base, and here in the smaller size just about 6 mm, and here the larger side about 30 mm, and between them here the round base about 6 mm. And this double strings necklace is the new product and we launched recently. And you can also think it looks like the colorful necklace because it includes yellow, it's still light purple, and then a deep purple color. Just don't draw it. Just don't. Okay, I try to wait to show you these ones. Okay. If you like this necklace, please feel free to let us know. Okay. Forecast below. Okay, dear, that is this one. If you like it, please feel free to let us know. Okay, the next one I want to show is the set jewelry. Gemstone jewelry. Please look at this one. Come on. And here the turquoise roundel piece about 6 mm. And here the yellow color about 16 years long. And double strings that we ourselves. Okay, and also you can find bracelet is about 7.5 inches long. It is sizing. 这也能拆，拆不就是？ Okay, that is this one. If you like this, you can feel free to communicate with us. Oh my God. Next one, I wanna show you. Welcome to our library class. The next one, I want a colorful necklace. You can find in the center here is the red spiny oyster roundel piece about 8 mm, and between them here the bright night roundel piece. Yeah, the blue colors round turquoise round beads, and they are in high quality. And you can find here some orange and red spiny oyster roundel beads and heishi. This looks colorful and 可以啊，反正也没多少，可以调。Larger is to use computer numerical control to cut the material using export chain familiar with local custom rules and regulations. And we also have a close relationship with the local customer. welcome the new friends from Canada.